Imagine buying a brand new Apple laptop for just $599, only to realize it cannot handle the future. Apple thought they had built the absolute perfect budget machine. It sold out almost instantly. Production lines had to scramble just to keep up with the massive demand. But while everyday users were celebrating, power users walked away. They noticed a massive hidden flaw that could ruin the computer in just a couple of years. Now, massive supply chain leaks reveal that Apple is already panicking and fixing it. They are preparing a brand new version that changes everything, and it might just wipe out the Windows competition for good. Here is the wildest part of the story. Apple is not changing the design. They are not changing the incredible battery life. They are fixing the one massive weakness that critics screamed about from day one. They are fixing the performance bottleneck. According to leaked manufacturing documents, the next generation budget MacBook is going to drop with a massive upgrade. It will reportedly feature the powerhouse A19 processor. This is going to give the tiny laptop a monstrous boost over the versions sitting on store shelves today. But the processor is not even the upgrade that has the entire tech industry talking. The real shocker is inside the memory chips. Reports from the supply chain suggest that Apple is finally abandoning its stingy past. They are reportedly raising the base RAM configuration to 12 gigabytes. Now, to the average person, a bump in RAM sounds like a tiny, boring technical detail. You might think it is just for opening more Chrome tabs or multitasking, but you would be wrong. This upgrade is not about multitasking at all. This upgrade is entirely about artificial intelligence. The current $599 MacBook is actually a great machine for standard tasks. If you just want to browse the web, stream movies, write documents, or do light video editing, it runs like a dream. But the tech world is shifting rapidly. Modern software is starting to rely heavily on on-device AI processing. This means your computer's hardware has to do the heavy lifting locally, right on the silicon. Because of this, memory is suddenly becoming just as vital as raw processor speed. AI models are incredibly hungry for RAM, and that is exactly where the current $599 machine hits a brick wall. It simply does not have the memory depth to run heavy AI features smoothly over the next few years. The upcoming version is designed to completely smash that bottleneck. With 12 gigabytes of RAM and the A19 chip, this new laptop will handle advanced AI tools effortlessly. It will breeze through heavier professional workloads and swallow future software updates without slowing down. This creates a massive dilemma if you are looking to buy a laptop today. The difference between the current model and this upcoming version is not a normal, boring yearly refresh. It is a night and day generational leap. Somehow, the most mind-blowing detail in the entire leak is the price tag. Usually when Apple throws in a much faster processor and significantly more memory, they jack up the price. We expect to pay an extra $100 or $200, but insiders tracking Apple's suppliers claim the company is fiercely determined to do something uncharacteristic. They want to keep the starting price exactly where it is. They want to keep it at $599. If Apple actually pulls this off, they won't just possess a good budget laptop. They will own the absolute best value computer in the entire tech industry. This is exactly why Windows manufacturers are terrified right now. Companies like Dell, HP, and Lenovo are already losing sleep trying to compete with Apple's current mix of raw performance, unmatched battery life, and aggressive pricing. If Apple drops a faster AI-ready chip and more RAM at that same $599 price point, competing will become almost impossible for Windows laptops. This is why Apple's suppliers are already gearing up for another massive production ramp. They know this machine is going to fly off the shelves. The launch might be happening a lot sooner than anyone realizes. So if you have the current model in your shopping cart, you need to pause and ask yourself a serious question. Do you buy the limited version right now, or do you wait a little longer for the machine Apple truly wanted to release from the very beginning? My honest opinion on this product is simple. Hold your horses and wait. Buying the current model right now is a trap, even at $599. It feels like a bargain today, but the lack of RAM means it will feel obsolete the moment advanced on-device AI tools become standard next year. Waiting for the 12GB RAM upgrade ensures your investment lasts for 5 or 6 years instead of 2. If Apple keeps that $599 price point, it will easily be the best tech purchase of the decade. Hold out for the upgrade. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest tech updates.